This is lesson 6.2, part 2. In this second part, we're going to learn how to divide radical expressions, and we'll also learn how to rationalize the denominator. Similar to when we were multiplying radical expressions, if the indices match, then you can divide the radicands. So the nth root of a divided by the nth root of b is the same thing as the nth root of a divided by b. For example, if we have square root of 18x to the fifth divided by square root of 2x cubed, we can just divide the radicands here. So that'll give us the square root of 9x squared. Remember, when you divide variables with exponents, you subtract your exponents. So then once we have divided the two radicals, we can simplify the one radical. Square root of 9 is 3. And the square root of x squared is just x. Now this is the most difficult part about radical expressions, rationalizing the denominator. So the rule is that a radical expression is in simplest form when there is no radical in the denominator. So we want to simplify this, so we'll start by taking our 12 here and factoring it. So 12 is 2 times 2 times 3. We're looking for 3 of a kind. When we get 3 of a kind, then we can take those things out of the radical, and then we would no longer have a radical in the denominator. Since we don't have 3 of a kind, we're going to multiply to make an equivalent fraction. So we have 2 2's. We're going to need one more 2 to give us 3 of a kind. We have 1 3. We'll need 2 more 3's to give us 3 of a kind. With the y's, we have 2 y's, so we'll need one more to total 3. And for the z's, we only have 1, so we're going to need 2 more to give us a total of 3 z's. When we multiply this all together, everything in the denominator will be 3 of a kind. So the rule with fractions is anything you multiply in the denominator, you have to multiply in the numerator to keep your fraction equivalent. So we're going to multiply the numerator by 2 times 9 times y times z squared. So the numerator multiplies to be 90 x squared y z squared. Our denominator is going to multiply to be cube root of 2 cubed times 3 cubed times y cubed times z cubed. So none of the numerator is 3 of a kind because we have 1 5, 1 2, and 2 3. So the numerator is fine like it is. The denominator, though, is all 3 of a kind, so we're going to simplify that, and we get 2 times 3 is 6, y, and z. And that is rationalized because the denominator no longer has a radical in it.